guys, welcome and welcome back to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. So yes guys, NATA 2023 second attempt results are already out now. So go check out your results if you haven't already. And you know already know the drill. In the comment section below, please comment down your results. देखो आप comment करोगे, ऐसे ही बहुत सारे लोग करेंगे, तो you will get to know more and more results and you will get to know everybody's result. So that is why first pause the video and comment down your results. Okay guys, तो चलो थोड़ी सी बात कर लेते हैं that how was the paper exactly, and because now the answer key and everything is released, so now I have gone through the paper and I can exactly tell you that how was the paper for the second attempt. Was it easier or was it more tough? So guys, when you talked about the first attempt paper, you know, rarely anybody got 140 plus marks or even 130 plus marks was a very good score in the first attempt, because the first attempt paper was a little bit more tough. Okay, so the second attempt paper is a little bit easier than the first attempt, actually a lot easier than the first attempt. And see guys, both the shifts were easy. The first shift was also easy, the second shift was also easy in the sense that everything came from what we had taught to our students in the live classes and also in our ebooks. Now it could be more tough than the first attempt for the students who did not prepare with us, because definitely आपको अगर questions आपने कभी पढ़े नहीं है तो आपने कभी सुना भी नहीं होगा, and then it would have been more difficult for you. But easy in the sense यही है कि जितने भी questions we had covered in the live classes, apart from definitely the GK and the current affairs and the random questions, अगर उनको छोड़ दिया जाए तो जितने भी questions building construction से principles of design, architectural terms, all the questions were actually taught in the classes, and also you will find many questions in the ebooks, and repeated questions were also there from the mock test. So that is why our students were able to score very good marks in the second attempt than the first attempt examination, which according to me and the students in our institute was a little bit more tough than the second attempt paper. So guys, it's very important to understand that even if you have given the first attempt paper and you have scored like 120 plus or maybe 110 plus, now you have to understand that second attempt paper, because it was a little bit more easier than the first attempt paper, maybe third attempt again could be more tough. Okay, you never know, but it doesn't matter because scores are up high now. The good scores have gone up to 140 plus, and also if you have scored 150 plus, then you are amongst the top scorers of NATA 2023 examination. यही स्कोर गया इस बार का. See, I won't say कि इस बार का स्कोर 160 प्लस या 170 प्लस गया. इतना इजी पेपर नहीं था कि 160 170 प्लस किसी का स्कोर जाए. मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम जो हाईएस्ट स्कोर है वो 150s में है this time, and if your score is 140 plus, then also you are amongst the top scorers of NATA 2023 examination. But if you have not given the third attempt and still your score is like 110 plus, 120 plus, which was actually a good score in the first attempt, but now when you will give the third attempt, you have to prepare very well and come into the 140 plus category, because already second attempt में students के आ गए हैं. तो अब आपके पास कोई option नहीं है, आपको third attempt में इतनी मेहनत करनी ही पड़ेगी that your score goes up to 140 150. And also if your boards examination score is good, then you have high chances to get into CEPT University. From our institute, we are expecting almost 3 to 4 admissions in CEPT University this time, because students have scored really good merit score. ठीक है, तो देखो सिर्फ नाटा में मार्क्स लाने से नहीं होता है, क्योंकि मेरिट स्कोर बहुत मैटर करता है. आपके बोर्ड्स में भी अगर मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं है तो सेप्ट में होना मुश्किल हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो डेफिनेटली एंड लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग टू गेट इनटू टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज़. आपको पता ही होगा जेई का अगर आपने रिजल्ट देखा है तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25 स्टूडेंट्स स्कोर्ड अंडर 1000 रैंक. उसमें से भी आई थिंक 12 के आसपास स्टूडेंट्स का एसपीए में 100% होने वाला है. सो रिजल्ट्स आर क्वाइट गुड, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिजल्ट्स आई कैन डेफिनेटली से दैट इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर थर्ड अटेम्प्ट एग्जामिनेशन, इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड योर प्रिपरेशन येट, SSAC is the best shot you have got, because we have worked so hard for the past 4-5 years cracking the pattern of NATA examination. So I won't say much now. The results are already in front of you. The admissions would be in front of you in future, जब बहुत सारे students का SEPT में, SPA में और हर top college में definitely होने. अगर आपका भी top college में होगा, then definitely you will find some students from SSAC for sure. So guys, okay, if you want to start your preparation for third attempt NATA examination, then our last batch is starting from tomorrow, and this is our last batch. इसके बाद तो definitely कोई batch start नहीं होने वाला. You can see this is the crash course batch, and we will try to even cover 100% of the syllabus for third attempt as well, because we give like approximately 6 to 7 hours of classes per day till the examination date, that is the third attempt NATA examination. So you can enroll into our courses through our website, which is www.ssacinstitute.in. When you will go to the courses section, you will find the NATA 2023 crash course over there. Actually, I will link the course link in the description box below only, so you can go check it out. Also, you can book free demo sessions for you in case you want to check the teaching method, and also you want to understand that if you are able to cope up with online classes and understand everything or not. वैसे understanding में और quality wise और पढ़ने में e-books वगैरह में कोई problem नहीं आती है if you know how to use a mobile phone and a laptop, which you definitely do, and if you have a good internet connection. If you have all these things, then you will face no problem in online classes, and you will definitely be able to score very good marks in the third attempt examination like other students. Lastly, I would like to congratulate all the students who got good marks in NATA and JEE examinations and who would be getting into the top colleges. Also, the students who tried their best to score the top marks, congratulations to them as well, because you definitely learned how to do hard work, and hard work will never go to waste. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that your upcoming journey of architecture really goes well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates regarding college admissions and everything, because we will be uploading a lot of videos regarding that as well. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Let's meet in the next video.
Hello everyone, I am Ishrita Garg. I am a student of SSAC Institute. I have scored 99.99 percentile in my JEE B.Arch Session 1 2023.
I am Yash Asodekar and I have scored 99.66 percentile in my JEE B.Arch examination.
My name is Nandini Singhal and I have been a student of SSAC Institute. To tell you, this is not any other ordinary setup. There is a whole team working on it.
Like the attention to individual is best here, and you won't get this thing anywhere at this price, so it is really worth it.
Also, some questions were very predictable, and those teachers gave me those questions which I made mistakes in tests, and the same question by luck was there in JEE B.Arch examination.
Quality of education provided in this institute is awesome. Everything about this institute, the study material, the mock test, the to the point content is just awesome. And I would find the same questions which were there in the mock test as it is in the examination.